So today we are going to be doing a character play that I wanted to do for a Halloween video for a while now. So today we are doing a punk slash goth slash rocker Betty Boop. I seen this wig at my local beauty store and I tried it on, and the first thing I ever thought was Betty Boop, but like a modern twist, if that makes sense. So today, that's what we're doing, and it's really awesome. I really love how it turned out. What do you guys think? If you're new here, hello, my name is Josie. It is GLAMOWEEN here on my channel, which means lots of new Halloween themed videos all throughout the month of October. It is by far my favorite part of the year, and yeah, so if you would like to see more Halloween tutorials and or just regular beauty videos, hit that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glamfam. If you click the bell and then turn on all notifications, and also make sure in your phone settings that your notifications are on the YouTube app. It has been brought to my attention that sometimes our phone blocks the notifications. So if you're not getting my notifications and you've wondered and you have the bell turned on, it might be that your phone doesn't have the permission to send you the notification. Check it out. Let me know in the comments below if that helps. And I also have a playlist of all of my Halloween videos here. I will link it. It would mean so much to me if you would go check it out. Maybe check out a new character or two that you would like to try to do this Halloween. And let's jump into this video. Alright guys, so to start this off, we are going to do our basic makeup routine. So foundation, concealer, and powder, blend it all in, and I'll be right back. I am using both collab products. This is the Collab Bright Spark Radiant Foundation, and this is the Collab No Flaws Liquid Concealer. Alright, so now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows as skinny as I can, and I'm going to be filling them in with just powder. This is the Collab Mini Eyeshadow Palette in Full Glam, and I'm going to be using this dark brown color. I'm going to take the gray color in the middle of these two colors right here, and we're just going to pop that into our crease. Betty Boop doesn't really have much going on in the eyeshadow department, but I can't just leave it bare, you know? Especially since this is punk or goth Betty Boop. Very modern Betty Boop. We're going to run this on the bottom portion of our lid as well. And then I'm also going to run that underneath my eyes. And then we're going to do liner. We're gonna take 2 liquid lipsticks. These are both Fenty Beauty. This one is Uninvited and this one is Uncensored. And we are going to do a red ombre little tiny pout. Alright, and then I'm going to just quickly contour just a little bit. Make my cheeks a little rounder. We want to bring this in, so we're just going to contour right here. And then I'm just going to pop the bottom lashes on. Now we are just going to add some highlight as our last step. And we're gonna put this right on top of our cheekbones. Betty Boop didn't really have highlight, but you know, modern times calls for modern measures. Yes. I know I already have these two, but I'm gonna add some snake bites. We're going to just glue some of these self-adhesive dots. Just like that. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, there we go, guys. That is it. I think this is kind of cute, honestly. So I'd put on like a little dress and maybe spike this hair up just a little bit, like flip these out a tiny bit, but I've tried already and I can't get them to stay. Oh well. Anyway, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe down below. It's GLAMOWEEN here on my channel. Finally, which means new videos, Halloween themed, all throughout the month of October. And don't forget to check out my Halloween playlist here. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also at Beautybyjosiek. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah!